I'm very possessive for my friends. A lot. Ready? Saishri ready? Saishri ready? Ready? Oh my god, क्या joke बना? Saishri ready? Ready? Hello and namaste, welcome back to my channel, and whoever is new to this channel, hello, my name is Sneha and do subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell right beside it. So today we have with us my two best friends, and I met them in my graduation when I was doing it in Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning in Anantapur, and we stayed together for 3 years, and yeah, it has been 4 to 5 years that we are together, and I hope they know me in and out, so I'm gonna do this challenge with them. So we have with us Saishri Reddy, and she is from Bilaspur, and we have Priyanka Ghatani, and she is from Darjeeling. So मैं इनको प्यार से घट्टू and डोडो कहती हूँ. So today I am gonna speak a bit of Hindi because इनके साथ मैं हमेशा हिंदी में ही बात करती हूँ, तो मेरी हिंदी थोड़ी यहाँ से वहाँ हो सकती है. So do not mind and do not judge me according to that, and I'll make sure that I'll learn Hindi very very soon. So let's see who knows me better. तो पहला क्वेश्चन रहेगा तुम लोग को कि what's my favorite color? बोलो पहले. You cannot change your answers, okay? You cannot change your answers. और जो आंसर बोलेगा उसको एक पॉइंट मिलेगा, ठीक है?
So
मतलब जो करेक्ट आंसर बोलेगा उसको 1 पॉइंट मिलेगा. चलो. So what's my favorite color? पहले साइश्री.
favorite color black.
ठीक है. प्रियंका.
Sneha, your favorite color as far as you were there in Anantapur, it was blue. But what happened when you came out, you tried exploring with all the colors, and I think now your favorite color can be black. But I think you try to fit yourself in all colors, and then yeah, black.
Okay. So yeah, black is my favorite color, but I'm trying अभी की white को बना लूँ अपना favorite color. I'm trying more of white nowadays, but हाँ, black is always my favorite color. Black is my, like, it's my favorite forever. So the next question will be, what was my first job? My first मतलब मैंने
Okay,
first
I know
काम
that.
कहाँ किया था, क्या किया था? Once you.
I know that.
ठीक है.
Okay, even Saishri knows it.
ठीक है, तो बोलो पहले लू. चलो घट्टू बोलो.
You started like working once you left your graduation, like once you completed your graduation. तू गई थी सिलगुड़ी में, तू कॉल सेंटर में जॉब कर रही
ठीक है. साइश्री.
वो था तेरा प्रोफेशनल टाइप का.
Okay,
हाँ, उससे पहले तू ट्यूशंस पढ़ाती थी.
ठीक है. That's quite, मतलब हाँ, घट्टू को पता है बहुत ज्यादा कुछ. साइश्री बोल. घट्टू का आंसर चीट करी ना, देख लेना तू मेरे से.
Professionally, it was at call center right after BCom. Yeah,
ठीक है, तो
that's what I
दोनों को
remember.
एक पॉइंट्स मिलता है. So basically, my first profession, my first job was I was a tutor. पहले मैं ट्यूशन पढ़ाती थी. That was my first job, but professionally बोलो तो yeah, I worked in a call center for 9 months. So that would be my professional वाला first job. But anyways, you both are right, क्योंकि obviously professional job मेरा first call center में ही था. I worked there for 9 months. तो अब एक 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 करके बोलेंगे. Like Saishri will tell me what's the best memory we both spent together.
Okay. Best memory with Sneha. There are many. We used to fight so many times for very silly reasons, and then, I mean, you could make a story. We could make a story out of each and every time we fought with each other, right? So that's how it was. And but one thing I get reminded of was, I don't remember when exactly, but we fought for some reason, and then in order to sort it out, we were talking. Okay, so it happened that we spoke for whole night, and the next day we had to go somewhere. We had to take a trip, right? So we spoke, and then finally when we slept, just after 5 minutes, I mean the alarm rang, and then we had to get up and go. Which means the whole night we didn't sleep. We just spoke, and then I just can't tell if she has a capacity. She has the capacity to talk as much as she can. So that was really very memorable. That will be very memorable for me. And another thing was, every time, any other time, I used to go to Sneha's room. So we used to just lie down and relax, and then I used to sing song for her to sleep. But what exactly used to happen, that while singing song to put her to sleep, I used to sleep off, and not without even realizing that she's still awake. So she used to get angry, very angry for that. Oh my god, that was another memory that I remember.
And
it was very funny.
Because मैं Saishri Priyanka, we used to stay in a hostel पहले. So we all stayed together, like 24/7 हम एक दूसरे को देखते थे, like for 5 months, right? 5 महीने के लिए ना. Like we used to stay together. We used to know क्या खा रही है, वो क्यों खा रही है, कब सो रही है, कब उठती है. We used to know every single detail. Like we were so much into each other. मतलब 5 months we used to talk like that. And एक महीने के लिए छुट्टी आते थे ना घर पे. 1 महीने का छुट्टी होता था, घर आ जाते थे, फिर उसके बाद रह जाओ अंदर फिर 5 months के लिए. And we didn't have cell phones, like we were not allowed any kind of cell phones, या फिर कोई भी gadgets we were not allowed to carry there. तो क्या होता था, दिन भर इनके साथ ही, मतलब whole day we used to spend with each other. तो we know every single detail, मतलब तब की, मतलब 2 साल पहले की details we know about each other. तो यही था.
If you ask me about memories, there are tons, as Saishri said. So the one memory which I vividly, most of it I remember, but which actually comes to my mind over and over again is that, you remember during party times, summer course times, we used to get mangoes, right? So that was the most funniest moment. Okay. So we used to collect all the mangoes, and then we used to come and eat in the dorm during the afternoon, and I was lying in charge also then. So we were staying with juniors, with first years, and from first BCom, some girl, I forgot her name right now, but what happened was, like, Sneha and we were eating the mangoes, and we were eating as if like we are hungry since eternity, and mangoes, obviously
I'm obsessed
my
with
favorite, and
mangoes.
obviously everybody's
Obsessed.
favorite, right? So yeah, the way we ate, and somebody commented on this, like the junior commented on us, like we ate like, yeah, they don't know how to eat also. What, like, the best thing about staying with you, or like being a friend of yours, is that, Sneha, you don't care about others' opinion, and that's the thing which I like about it, which I adore about you. Like, you don't bother about others' opinion, which is which is a gem actually in your personality. So I really adore you for that, and I always want to be what you always tried, not caring about others' opinion.
Yeah, good the way you are, that, right? तो मुझे एक बात जो
Yeah, but you need to learn from your friends, being in a circle, being in a positive circle, and get inspired from each other was a thing which we used to do back in Anantapur, and then coming back to life totally different outside.
You remember
So it became really.
Do you remember मैं कितना रोती थी वहाँ पर? हर एक
Yeah,
बात पे रोती
yeah.
थी, और प्रियंका के साथ भी बहुत झगड़ा
Yeah,
करती
it was
थी.
such a
बहुत झगड़ा करती थी.
cry baby. Yeah, we used to fight. Small
Like
things,
अभी भी
It's
when
like,
we meet we fight, but that's how we love each
yeah.
other. That's how we love.
Yeah, right,
One
correct.
thing I remember
Yes.
about Priyanka is that I have this spondylitis का problem. So what happened? Used to happen was that I used to tell Priyanka कि Priyanka बहुत दर्द हो रहा है यहाँ पर. One thing she used to tell.
Yeah, karma, right?
हाँ,
Karma.
Oh my god.
Karma.
It was so मतलब
Karma.
साइशी तुझे पता है ना how she used to say every single time. मतलब प्रियंका यहाँ दर्द हो रहा है कर्मा से हाँ कर्मा ऐसे
Karma.
कर्मा हाँ ठीक है तो
So irritating, no?
हाँ
So irritating at times when you hear
At
constantly
times
the
तो
same
अब
thing.
बंदा मर रहा है यहाँ पे दर्द से कोई आगे बोलेगा कि
You
कर्मा है
tell
कर्मा
karma.
है ऑब्वियसली गुस्सा तो किसको नहीं आएगा ठीक है ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी वन थिंग आई एम बैड एट
Bad at is keeping patience. She's very impatient.
आई लैक पेशेंस मुझे सब चीज जल्दी जल्दी चाहिए अब तभी चाहिए जब मुझे चाहिए होता है अगर मुझे रुक मतलब वेट करना पड़ा आई सक एट इट आई एग्री विद दैट तो प्रियंका व्हाट डू यू थिंक व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग आई एम बैड एट
You're bad at like don't know how to let people enter. What kind of people enter in your lives? Like whenever someone comes and shows full love and attachment towards you, get so attached to that person and you're not willing to let go that person, and then a time comes when you're yourself hurt. So that's a really painful thing to see because you're always a happy going girl. So when that heartbreak happens to
आई एम वेरी
Yeah,
इमोशनल when it comes
when
to
that
people
when that thing happens, no, so it's really, really difficult to see you with that. And I think you agree with me because
I'm very emotional. I totally do. I'm very emotional and I get attached
you,
to people
yeah,
very
you let
very
people
fast.
come
Like,
into your life
time नहीं लगता है मेरे
into
को.
your life very easily, right?
They can enter my life very easily and they leave very easily. So it's very मतलब I get emotionally very disbalanced जब वो होता है. And I try myself कि मैं ना हूँ attached लोगों से. I don't become so मतलब mentally मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ emotional ना बनूँ, but it's just my nature and it's just what I am. तो बहुत try करती हूँ फिर भी नहीं होता है. So ठीक है. Next question will be what's my favorite clothing brand?
I know Sheen.
I hope you guys know this.
Sheen.
And I'm so sad that वो banned हो गया इंडिया से. I was so sad for one whole day, but again I felt like आर्मी की बेटी होके कंट्री के बारे में ना सोच के what am I thinking? But यार that was very bad. तो साइशी you tell.
Yeah, she said it. No, she.
So Priyanka was saying something, right?
No, I was made probably
My-
because of the privacy issues and all. Sheen was banned, but it really consisted of good, stuff.
So cheap and such a good quality clothes. I was a big fan of Shein. Like अभी मैं जो पहन रही हूँ वो भी Shein का ही है. Like I used to love Shein like anything. It's okay. We will find out some other brands and other online shopping app बहुत जल्दी. It's okay. Not a big issue. It's just a app. कोई ना कोई गल नहीं. ठीक है. तो that next question will be what's that one weird thing I have? What one weird thing like one weird talent या फिर which anything weird that I have in me जो तुम लोग को weird लगती है. Obviously मुझे वो weird लगती तो मैं नहीं करती. तो जो तुम लोग को weird लगती है.
Okay. Sometimes.
I'll tell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You melt your chocolate and then you lick it. It's so weird. Like, who does that?
What do I do?
You remember while coming from Commerce Building to our hostel, you used to keep your chocolate dairy milk on your umbrella so that it melts and then you can lick it.
Oh yes. I used to keep it on the top of this umbrella ना sun धूप पे रखती थी
Yeah,
ताकि वो
yes.
melt हो जाए. I love licking chocolates. I mean melted chocolates my favorite. I used to love like anything and मैं वो करती थी seriously क्योंकि मेल्ट ही नहीं होता था तो मैं वहाँ को उसके ऊपर रख देती थी अम्ब्रेला के ऊपर रख देती थी ताकि it melts down and I eat up. I remember, yes.
हाँ
I
बट
remember that.
कभी कभी मुझे बहुत ग्रॉस लगता था वो चीज़.
I used to keep it outside my मतलब रूम के बाहर ऐसे धूप पे रख देती थी. बहुत I'm a big fan and I'm obsessed with chocolates as well, Dairy Milk especially. तो मैं सारे चॉकलेट्स ऐसे बाहर रख देती थी ताकि वो मेल्ट हो जाए एंड लोगों को बहुत गंदी लगती थी क्योंकि वो मेल्टेड चॉकलेट्स खाने में थोड़ा सा उनको गंदी लगती थी, बट आई शुड लव इट, तो क्या कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. साइश्री.
Yes, so I remember one thing that you know, I love music and I love to sing, but Sneha will pick up some weird song, I don't know from where, and she has the she has the patience to sing the same song whole day. Man, continuously कौन गाता है, और वो भी नहीं कि पूरा गाना, वो कोई एक फ्रेज पकड़ लेगी और उसको दिन भर गा के सबको इरिटेट कर देगी.
यार
Oh
तभी
my
कोई
God, I just
एंटरटेनमेंट
can't.
ही नहीं थी, तो आई यूज्ड टू सिंग दैट टाइम थोड़ा बहुत. बाय द वे साइशी सिंग्स अमेजिंगली, लाइक उसकी वॉइस बहुत अच्छी है एंड शी सिंग्स लाइक मतलब यू साइशी, यू वांट टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग फॉर देम.
No,
एक छोटा
not
सा
right
गाना,
now.
छोटा सा, दो
Maybe
लाइन,
next.
दो लाइन,
Maybe next time.
दो लाइन साइशी, दो लाइन.
Okay.
वो
What
मत
song
गाना,
you want to sing?
बेखौफ मत गाना. That was the first song I heard.
Please, I bet you don't bring that up, please.
चल साइशी एक छोटा सा गाना गाना.
कौन सा गाना?
ये हंसी हंसी, दैट्स माय फेवरेट सॉन्ग व्हेन साइशी सिंग्स इट. हंसी वाला.
Okay. मैं जाने ये वार दूँ, हर जीत भी हार दूँ, कीमत वो कोई तुझे, बेइंतहा प्यार दूँ, सारी हदें तेरी अब मैंने तोड़ दी, तुम दुआ अब मेरी आखिरी बन गए, हाँ हंसी बन गए, हाँ नमी बन गए, तुम मेरे आसमां, मेरी ज़मीं बन गए. ओ, ला 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 ला, तेरे नाम.
थैंक यू सो मच. मुझे बहुत पसंद आता है जब साइशी ये वाला स्पेशली ये गाना गाती है. आई जस्ट लव व्हेन शी सिंग्स दिस सॉन्ग. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होगा, वेदर वुड आई चूज पिज्जा और बर्गर.
I'll answer.
या
हाँ burger. Burger.
साइशी.
Yes, burger.
डेफिनेटली बर्गर बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक पिज्जा. आई डोंट लाइक पिज्जा. मतलब कभी कभार थोड़ा बहुत खा लेती हूँ, बट आई डोंट डाई फॉर पिज्जा लाइक दिस. प्रियंका डाइज फॉर पिज्जा. शी कैन लाइक हैव द होल मीडियम साइज पिज्जा alone.
Okay. To be true, I didn't know that you liked burger, but I knew it that Ghattu likes pizza. So
कुछ
that's why I
भी
told you.
मतलब ऐसे. So the next question is, अगर if I ever have a tattoo, like अगर I wish to have a tattoo, where would I like having it?
Okay, it would be on your this thing. What do you say? This forearm, right? Forearm. Yeah.
You
Yeah.
mean to say
You
wrist
could.
की वहाँ पर, right?
Yeah, forearm. There. And then it would be sand. Definitely a sand thing. Something related to sand.
ठीक है. साइशी तुम?
What I think is, I have a picture of Sneha, of a tattoo on her on her neck, behind.
Yeah, backside of
backside of her neck.
Oh
I think
yeah, I forgot
that's
about
the
that.
place she would like to do.
So yeah, you both are correct actually. मुझे यहाँ पर and वो बैक साइड पे बहुत पसंद है, बहुत ज़्यादा. I'm like,
Yes.
मुझे चाहिए वहाँ पे.
So we get a point, right?
Yeah, you both get a point. So the next question would be, like, what is that one thing I cannot live without? मतलब वो एक चीज जो मुझे चाहिए होता है.
Your phone.
Okay. Kattu? Priyanka?
तेरा makeup.
Oh, how can
No, Priyanka. Phone. I cannot live without my phone.
Yes,
yes.
I use that.
मेकअप तो मैं पहले यूज भी नहीं करती. मैं अनंत को कभी मेकअप यूज की बोलो
नहीं तू अनंतपुर में तो रही फोन के बगैर.
तो अभी ना करंट सिनेरियो में मतलब अब
देख
ठीक है,
तू ना
तो मेकअप तो उतना नहीं, मतलब फोन से तो कम ही आई, मतलब इतना मुझे मेकअप चाहिए ही नहीं होता है, बट फोन मुझे चाहिए होता है एवरी टाइम, एवरी सिंगल टाइम मुझे फोन चाहिए।
ठीक है, तेरा फोन।
ठीक है, ठीक है, तो चूज बिटवीन ड्रेस एंड जीन्स, व्हाट वुड आई प्रेफर, ड्रेस या फिर जीन्स?
ड्रेस।
ड्रेस।
आई कैन नॉट वेयर जीन्स, मुझे पता नहीं बहुत खुजली होती है जीन्स से, तो आई चूज
Exactly.
ड्रेस ओवर जीन्स। ठीक है, तो लास्ट क्वेश्चन रहेगा, इफ यू हैड टू डिस्क्राइब मी इन वन वर्ड, व्हाट वुड दैट वर्ड वन वर्ड बी?
एक्सपेरिमेंटल।
व्हाट?
नो 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 नो, नॉट एक्सपेरिमेंटल।
एक्सपेरिमेंटल का
योर
मतलब?
टेस्ट, नॉट एक्सपेरिमेंटल, आई मीन तू डिस्ट्रक्टिव है, डिस्ट्रक्टिव। नहीं नहीं सॉरी, नॉट डिस्ट्रक्टिव,
बोल क्या रही है?
डिस्ट्रक्टिव। काट देना इसको, काट देना।
बोल क्या रहे? डिस्ट्रक्टिव
वो है।
बोल रही है। एक वर्ड जो मुझे परफेक्टली डिफाइन करे, डिस्क्राइब करे।
डिस्ट्रक्टिव, डिस्ट्रक्टिव इंडस्ट्री होता है ना, वो जो एक कुछ भी इसमें नया से स्टार्ट करते हैं, राइट? डिस्ट्रक्टिव इंडस्ट्री, वही तो। डिस्ट्रक्टिव नहीं बोली, सॉरी, प्रोनाउंसिएशन खराब हो गया यार।
ओके, तो साइड
डिस्ट्रक्टिव है, डिस्ट्रक्टिव इन नेचर।
I would say hyperactive.
वो तो मैं हूँ ऑब्वियसली।
You go to her at any point of day, at any time, she will be always excited. I don't know for what. And hyper.
Obviously. And that's why you people enjoy my company. Seriously.
हाँ यार,
अगर मैं चुपचाप से बैठती तो तुम लोग तो ऐसे बोर हो जाते, ऐसे मतलब क्या है, मैं ऐसे हाइपर एक्टिव हो जाती तो तुम लोग को मजा भी आता है, हाँ कि नहीं बोलो?
हाँ करेक्ट।
Chalo, with that, I come to an end of my questions. And yeah, that was it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Do like, comment, and share this video to as many people as you can. And also do subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell right beside it so that you get notified whenever I upload any video. And I am also super active in my Instagram ID, so I will leave my Instagram ID on the screen. Do follow me out there as well. And I'll see you guys soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care, stay safe, lots of love.
Thank you guys. Thank you for love which you're already giving to my friend Sneha. And I would request you to give as much as love to her and subscribe, share and like all her videos and coming videos and just support her. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you guys for watching this, and thank you Sneha for making us in your content. And guys, I would like you to like, comment, share and support her in her journey. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you Sneha once again. Thank you everybody.